You may not like the suggestions that Facebook shows you, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to the Facebook app right here. Let's go to the menu page by clicking on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, scroll down a bit and click on Settings and Privacy to open up the drop-down menu. Click on Settings. And first, what we're going to do is to scroll down a bit again and find the Permissions tab. And under this one, you can see All Facebook Activities. So click on that. And what we're going to do is to clear history. So click on Clear History. Click on Clear History once again. And that will delete the information that Facebook has that might be causing the suggestions that it gives to you. Now, the next thing that we should do is to scroll up a bit and click on How People Find and Contact You. Now, focus on this question right here. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? So click on that and make sure that this is toggled off. So I already have it toggled off. If that's turned on, you can just click on the toggle button once again to turn it off and click on Disable Public Search. So that is how you can basically delete suggested for you on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.